Hello friends, in that last video what we did was we made that sketch, and we can just open this again and we can see when we go over we make it to a goal. Yay. Now obviously there's lots of improvements we can add here, but let's start with this moving in other directions. So I'll just take this, and this is going to be S, and then we're going to say ball X minus equals ball speed, and this is going to be W, and we'll say ball Y minus equals ball speed, and this is going to be S, and we'll say ball Y plus equals ball speed. And let's just check and make sure we can move in all directions, and indeed we cannot. I don't know why this A key isn't working, other than the fact that I didn't. Let's check it out again. And there we go. So now we're moving in all directions, which is awesome. Now the next big improvement we're gonna make is turn these. We're gonna instead of drawing ellipses, we're gonna draw images. And you know, before what we did was we pulled these images from the repo. If you haven't done that yet, you can go to this repo. Just go ahead and go to no classes 5. And you can grab those assets from there. And we can also, if you know, just double check to make sure you've got these 3 libraries, the P5 DOM, P5.js, and P5 Sound. And remember to add them to your index.html. So we'll have all 3 of these P5 libraries and just this one sketch.js file. So we're gonna rewrite this code just a little bit. We're gonna add a preload function. And you remember that's where we can load in these assets. And I'm just gonna load in Mario img equals load image. And we'll just load in assets mario.png. Now, remember, if you wanted to create an animation, we could load in multiple images of Mario that are just each a little bit different, and we could scroll through them. And I've made some videos on that. By all means, when we're done with this, feel free to improve on it and add some of the other stuff that you've learned in other videos. We're going to also add the coin. You can notice I put a dot before my initial folder here. That's just a shorthand for saying, like, be in this folder right here. And you probably don't need it. I just do it sort of by habit. It certainly is not going to hurt you. I'm going to make images I'm going to make variables, those variables. So we'll say let Mario image and coin image. And since these variables are declared in the global scope, they're available in preload and they're available in setup. And that's great because what we want to do next is we want to make a function sort of like our draw ball function and our draw goal function, but what we're going to do instead is we're going to call this function actually in here we're going to change this to draw Mario. And we're going to change this to draw a coin. And there's not a heck of a lot we have to do here to make this change. But what we could do is also change these values in here. So now we're calling it coin. We're not going to need a color anymore. And we'll change this to coin. And now we'll just say coin width and coin height. Coin X, coin Y. We're not going to need this color here. We're going to call these Mario variables. This is going to be Mario X, Mario Y, Mario width, Mario height, Mario speed. And then in our program, we'll just have to change all those different values. And we'll change this to Mario. This thing I just wrote, I already have to rewrite it. And what I can do is just do a Command Shift F, no, it's Command Option F. And I'm gonna just search for Mario. Oh. Search for Mario and search for ball and replace it with Mario. Nice. So now Mario width, Mario image, Mario X, Mario Y, Mario, Mario, Mario. Everywhere I see Mario. That's so nice. So what we'll do is do the same for goal and coin. And again, Command Alt F, goal with coin. Coin. Goal with coin. And let's just see. So we got our coin. That's looking pretty good. But we're going to make this draw coin. And I'm gonna change this up a little bit, but we'll have Mario image, draw Mario, and so Mario, this is gonna take in the Mario image, this is gonna take in the coin image, and we're gonna define these functions. You can see it's saying, uh-oh, there's a problem. So let's just see what we can do about that. So draw Mario is going to take in, instead of those things, it's going to take in the image. And we'll just get rid of all this. And we'll just say the image is going to show the image at the X and the Y with a width and a height. And we can actually, for our coin, now this function is exactly the same, but I still want to keep it draw coin and draw Mario because I think it's helpful to see like what each one is doing. Now, I'm going to write this maybe a little bit different. I'm going to say, let's in here, let's say if show coin, and we'll up here we'll have a variable called show coin, and we'll say true to begin with, but then we're gonna let's say, and again this is a little bit different than let's say coin collected. So we're gonna check coin, and here we're gonna pass in exactly this stuff again. Coin width, coin height. So we can still just do all that. This will be check coin, and we'll say if show coin, then we're gonna draw the coin. Otherwise, we're gonna draw Mario. I mean, otherwise, if not show coin, if show coin is false, then we're gonna not draw the coin. We'll just draw Mario. So we need to coin collected, and you know we could just say if coin collected here, but yeah, let's just do that. We'll say coin collected. And then we don't need this global variable. I think that's going to work. Let's see. There's our Mario. Where's our coin? No coin. Let me just make sure. All right, so we're going to get rid of that. Search. Come in here. Open with live server. And we got Mario, but we have no coin. Why don't we have a coin? Let's see. Coin image, load image, coin image, draw, coin image. Oh, see, I have cull here. And refresh it. Still nothing. Let's look in our console and see what's going on. Nothing breaking is happening. So we're drawing coin. If coin collected, if not coin collected, there's our coin. And you know what? I don't like how far over to the right that is, so we're gonna make this minus, just for a little more padding. There we go. So now you can see. And you know, we might want to make Mario a little bit bigger. The coin's a pretty good size. Mario's too small. Let's say Mario width is going to be 20, 10. There we go. Mario's not a bad size now. We go over here. Oh, there we go. We're at the coin. So you can see Mario actually gets there a little bit quicker than it looks like when he gets to the center. So I maybe made a mistake here. Looks like I did. Let's take a look. So if Mario X plus, or Y plus height 1 is greater than Y2, that should be right. Maybe there's something I'm not passing in right here. X2, Y2, W2, coin X, coin Y, width, height. Check coin. Oh, see this Mario width over 2. I need to take that away now because we're not using a ball anymore. So that's all it was. And now if we go over. Now, if we want to keep this coin collected, what are we going to do? And if we want to draw more coins, what are we going to do? These are all very important questions. And I think it's best to save those for the next video where I'm going to go a little bit deeper. That one's going to be a little bit longer. But, you know, one thing we could do if we want to keep this collected, right, is to say, instead of having this value in here, and we'll say coin collected up here, we'll say let coin collected equals false. And what we could do is we could say coin collected equals, no, we'll say at coin and then we can say if not coin collected, then we can say coin collected equals at coin. So we'll set the value of the coin to this at coin. We're at coin, then coin collected won't be true, but after that it will be. So we'll be able to collect it once, and now it's gone forever. And expand on them a little bit in the next video. We're gonna make a bunch more coins. We'll make a start screen. I hope